one.
Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So today is Nate's run, and I stayed at the Garst house, which is a historical house, and I just stayed in a room so I could get some sleep. Last year I didn't, but it's a farm. Go figure. So anyway, I was just walking around and they have a lot of pretty flowers. I thought I'd take some pictures, and then I'm gonna go cheer on Nate. They have a bunch of goats and stuff too. So last year it was like raining and it was horrible on this course, and I slept in a car. And this year I got a room at that B&B, and oh my gosh, it's so much better. It's not raining, and this place is full. It's like a wildlife preserve. It's full of like natural flowers and a lot of cool things. So as soon as Nate runs through here, I might go take some adventures myself. Well, Nate is running and he has, I think, 8 miles left. So he's doing good. And look at this. I found a little garden. It's so pretty. I'm going to turn it around. There's a lot of like cool stuff. I'm in the town of Coon Rapids. There's some old, like an old merry-go-round. Look at this cute little like shade garden they have. And it has like bikes. That's so cute. Almost just like they have like these little brick pathways in here. Some cone flowers, hostas. It's just like a cute little garden. Oh, look at these. Look at that hosta. Oh my gosh, it's humongous. It's gorgeous. There's my hand. And I have pretty big hands. Look at all the pretties. Look at a cute little garden and off the highway. And they have some art sculptures, it looks like. It was a nice little find to have my morning coffee drink. I already had my morning coffee, so this is my second one. And now I'm gonna go see if I can find the runners. It's hard to find them. They're back in like backwoods trails and stuff that you can't get to, but they just ran through the town. So I was actually able to go and get some pictures. I can't help or give anything to Nate on the way. It's against the rules, and you can't walk with them or run with them or anything. It's a race without pacers. So all I can do is yell, "Go babe," from the car if I see him. Anyway, that's what I'm doing today. Sorry. Life of a flower farmer, dating an ultramarathon runner. I just need to nail that wall, but it had a lot of wires in that wall. Got this wall all the stuff found. There were a lot of wires down in here, so I just anchored it along the door hinge and then at the top where there were no wires. And same with over there. I think it's gonna be good. And I just have those and then the ceiling, and then I can start my second layer, which I need to get done so that the electrician can finish the work. Yay! It's actually evening on the farm and I am a little sweaty. Today my dad came out and we worked on that cooler and we knocked out a ton of it. So we got all the walls nailed up. We got the box for the electrical put in so that the electrician can do all the wiring and stuff. And then we got the second layer all glued except for like one piece. And then we have the foam and HVAC left, and that's it. It's a miracle when two people work at something and make so much progress. Like I thought this was like me doing it in my spare time would last months. But tomorrow I must cut flowers, and I'm going to probably empty out some of my other coolers, throw those flowers away and replace them with all fresh, because I have a lot of orders coming up this week. So that's pretty much what I did today. I didn't get a lot of video because my dad and I just hunkered down and worked, and I don't really, I mean, the room is so small. Like me, him, and the camera would have never fit. And now I have all the power off. So tomorrow I will show you the updates on the cooler. Plus I'll show you some harvesting and I'll give you a lot better video. That's pretty much my weekend. I went to that race and I worked on my cooler, and now I've got to get back to the flower field on Monday. I hope everybody has a fantastic day.